Boom shakalaka, what's up guys? Randall here from Crypto Love with Joe from Neo Smart IoT and HashPuppies. What's up, Joe?
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, having the time of my life today, talking with all these awesome people, yourself included. Burning questions. Everybody wants to know what's up with the blazer.
It's just something that went in and said, hey, we need something to dress up a little bit, but it has to match these silly t-shirts. So we took it into the store and showed them the t-shirts, and they're like, yeah, we can't do anything for you. Try this. So
Awesome.
went with it.
All right, and quick follow-up question. How about the name tag thing?
Oh, this. This is an actual working implementation of our award-winning DApp, the NEO Smart IoT. This is actually connected to our smart contract on the blockchain. So, anytime somebody invokes our smart contract the correct way and sends us a little bit of gas, then they can change the color of the badge.
That is awesome. So have you had people change the color of the badge yet today?
They've been trying. A few people have succeeded, but we've run into some difficulties. People trying to get up and running. We gave them kind of short notice. In our first talk, we mentioned how the invocation worked and said, okay, you've got like 2 hours to get your blockchain all synced up, and if you've ever downloaded the entire blockchain, even on the testnet, it takes a while. So. So people have been definitely trying it, and we offered them, if they were successful, 1 RHT per successful invocation up to 100, and they've been trying and run into a little bit of glitches. So we're just everybody who tried, we're gonna give them credit. They're gonna get an RHT if they tried to invoke the contract at all today.
Awesome, awesome. So for those of you who do not know, Smart IoT was the winner of the City of Zion DApp competition back in November. So tell us a bit about Smart IoT and potentially into HashPuppies.
Well, the Smart IoT was something we did as our contest entry. We were drawing on our experience, working at the hackerspace that I found 4 years ago. We've been deep into electronics, robotics, you name it, 3D printing and everything. And we had played around with these little IoT devices for a while. They're very cheap. They're very easy to program. And so we thought, well, that's kind of like a next logical step. If you have a blockchain and, you can control things digitally, why not control things in the real world? And we know how all that code works already. So all we have to do is hook that up to our smart contract and put a front end on it. And that's what we did. And, we were hoping that maybe we would be good enough to make the top 10. But then they said, you won first place. And we were like, that's incredible. Like,
yeah.
We were completely just blown away by that.
That is awesome. And so how'd that transition into HashPuppies?
So, we came off of that. We were looking, okay, what's the next thing to work on? We had the NeoLink wallet that we created for the DApp so that we could invoke the contract. And we were planning on, spending some time working on that. And then CryptoKitties hit, right? And, basically took down the Ethereum blockchain. And we're like, wow, if they had released that on Neo, that wouldn't have happened.
Right.
And like, well, somebody's probably going to release something like that on Neo. And then we thought about it. It's like, well, we have everything that we need. We've built up this community of, programmers. We know how to do smart contracts. We've got contacts, with artists and 3D designers. So we're like, why not us? So we came up with the concept HashPuppies, kind of a play on HashPuppies, and said let's just go with it. Let's see what we can do and see if we can make it better than CryptoKitties and make an actual game, that you can play and have fun doing and not just a investment scheme.
Yeah, absolutely. So what's the roadmap for HashPuppies look like?
So the roadmap looks like we're going to roll here into spring, trying to get a testnet beta out that we can have some of the people on the Discord try out, and looking towards an MVP release sometime around the end of Q2. Hopefully we can get that out on schedule. Obviously, in the gaming world, things don't always go as planned. So, we're going to try our best to get something out soon because we know that, there's a lot of demand and anticipation. People are hanging out our Discord every day saying, when's the game going to be released? Right. Is there a video, of any of the gameplay or anything? And today was the first day when we actually had a video to show people, what some of the animation would look like at least, and the graphic design that went into it.
Awesome. So if people want to see that animation, that video, where would they go to see that?
That's been posted to our Twitter feed, so they can go there and they can check that out.
And what's the Twitter handle?
The Twitter handle is at @hash_puppies.
Awesome, awesome. So you guys can go check that out. Now, what else have you got going on? You guys talking here at NEO DevCon?
Yeah, we gave 2 talks. We did the demo of the NEO Smart IoT, and then we had to go right in 2 hours later and do the HashPuppies talk.
Great. Anything that you shared with the people at NEO DevCon that you'd like to share with the audience at home?
I mean, I think that we were just impressed so much by NEO, not just the blockchain and the technology, but the community around it. It's something that we've been really happy to be a part of. Shane and I both became City of Zion members through our contributions, and there's just isn't another community like this out there that I've seen. There's other cryptocurrencies you can get involved with, and different levels of user involvement, but I've just never seen anything like the NEO community.
Yeah, brilliant community, absolutely awesome. Anything? So we're winding down on time. I think the next one is getting ready. Anything else you would like to mention, talk about, add? Just say hi to people out there.
Yeah, hi to everybody out there. If you're interested, if you want to follow the progress of HashPuppies, you can join our Discord or sign up for the mailing list, and we'll keep you updated as the game progresses. And I think it's going to be really great. I think we're going to have something that's, not just like the first blockchain game on NEO, but I think it's going to be the first real blockchain game that is fully interactive, graphical. So I think it's going to set a precedent.
Yeah, that's really exciting because I played CryptoKitties and it was pretty.
It's okay.
I'm excited for HashPuppies. This is going to be awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Joe, it was a pleasure. HashPuppies, check it out. NEO Smart IoT, everything there. Thank you for joining us. And guys, if you will look to the one coming after us, we got Tyler with Chico Crypto talking with NEO Auth.